Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Mercusys ME25BE BE BE3600 Wi-Fi 7 range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the ME25BE into a power outlet near your router, for now, so it can easily connect. Wait for about 2 minutes until the signal LED turns solid green, which indicates a good connection. Locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually labeled WPS, sometimes combined with a symbol like circle or lock. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds until the router's WPS LED begins blinking. This means your router has entered WPS pairing mode, which stays active for about 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Mercusys ME25BE. The WPS button is located on the side or bottom of the extender, depending on version. Press and hold it for about 1 second until the signal LED begins blinking rapidly. This blinking indicates the extender is trying to connect with the router automatically. It may take around 20 to 60 seconds for the connection to finish. Once successful, the signal LED on the ME25BE will turn. Solid green means excellent connection. When the LED turns green or orange, your extender is successfully linked with your main router. After setup, unplug the extender and move it to the area where you want to extend Wi-Fi coverage, typically halfway between your router and the weak signal zone. Once the extender is connected, it will broadcast a new Wi-Fi network. This new network will have the same name as your main Wi-Fi but with _ext at the end. Example, if your router's Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extender's network will be home Wi-Fi _ext. Use the same password as your router's Wi-Fi to connect to this extended network. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.